In this video, I'm going to explain how they achieved the firing order 1342 on a 4-cylinder engine. But first thing first, let's take a look here on the crankshaft. BDC, BDC, TDC, TDC. It's 880 degrees. And as you know that for a complete cycle, this thing is about 120 degrees. To understand that, okay, if it's at 0 degrees, it's here. It's going to rotate, it's going to go down, it's about to go down 180 degrees. This is the first stroke intake. It's going up again, back to 0. It's the first 360 compression. Again, power. Again, exhaust is 360 multiplied by 2. That's why I said 720. So 720 divided by 4 pistons, it's 180 degrees interval. That's why I said 180. Then the second, I said 360, 180 plus 180 is 360, 360 plus 180. You do the math. But to achieve the firing order, I referenced piston number 1 at power stroke. I'm going to put power stroke and write the steps as follows. Power, exhaust, intake. You know the procedure. Then piston number 2, because this one is trying to work against this one. If this one is at power, this one will be at exhaust. And as you know that if this one is at exhaust, this one is going to be at compression. It cannot be both exhaust. Same way. And you know that this one goes with this one. If this one is at power, it's at bottom dead center. It's going to be intake. Already it has completed the suction. That's why I wrote this PECI. Then I write the steps, intake, exhaust, intake, compression as it goes. But then now, to get the firing order, the first P, the nearest P is, which one is the nearest P? Is this one on piston number 1. And I look again on the nearest P. It's cylinder number 3. It's this one. That is the closest. And the number 1, and the third one, number 4. And the last one, number 2. Hence I said 1. You see 1 and 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2. That's how they achieved the firing order of 1, 3, 4, 2 on the first stroke. The procedure is the same. You can get the firing order on a 6-cylinder engine or a 5-cylinder engine. You just have to make sure you apply the right method and be mindful of your calculations. All right.